In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your search radius on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking for better deals or simply want more options closer or further from home, expanding your search radius can offer many benefits. Let's start by opening up Facebook. This might sound straightforward, but it's the crucial first step. You can access Facebook through your browser or the app on your phone, whichever you prefer. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to your left-hand side on a desktop or find the menu on your mobile device. Here, you'll see the marketplace icon. It's usually denoted by a small shop symbol. Go ahead and click or tap on that to enter the marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Before jumping into your search, we want to set up your location parameters. Look for a small icon or link that says location. It's usually near or around the search bar area. Click on it, and a small window should pop up asking for your location. You may already have a current location set, but to adjust your search radius, this is the part where we need to pay attention. After hitting the location option, focus on the radius setting. This might be found within the same window as your location or as a separate section titled Radius. Click or tap on this option. A slider or drop-down menu appears that allows you to adjust how far out you want your search to extend from your selected location. You might see options ranging from a few miles to several hundred miles depending on your search needs. Move the slider or select your desired radius to a comfortable distance that suits what you're seeking. Once you've made your adjustments, remember to finalize your choice by clicking on Apply. This is an important step. Forgetting to hit Apply might mean all your carefully adjusted settings won't take effect. The marketplace will now update your search parameters based on the new radius you've set. You can explore listings and see products or services available further from your initial viewpoint, offering potentially better deals or rare finds. Bear in mind that adjusting your search radius can significantly affect the type and number of listings you view. If you're trying to save on delivery or pickup distance, this is a handy tool to ensure that you're not missing out on local deals while also keeping your options open. It's as easy as that. Now you've got a wider net to cast when shopping online on Facebook Marketplace, and you're better equipped to find what you're looking for. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.